With the feeling of something, I can't bring myself back to the ground. I'm floating around with some thoughts in my head, and I can't seem to let them all go. And I'd rather be dead or feel something instead than feel nothing and be numb to it all. I take feeling the pain and get hurt by the day if it means I can let feeling fall. I'm living in a quiet storm, letting gravity take control. Take me with the raindrops out in the stormy sky. Make me sway in the breeze and fall like leaves, and pound me with 100 tons of hail. 'Cause it's best to feel something than live feeling nothing. So take me wherever you please. Unequivocally made for being myself, whether shining or feeling subdued. I can hide how I feel, so I might sit instead and live knowing I found something real. They say either write things worth reading or do things worth the writing in lieu of letting days pass. And I refuse to commit to an existence of incomplete thoughts.